Concepts for making money on Craigslist.org. The essentials. There are many ideas for making money on Craigslist.org. The essentials are getting your listing out there. Nevertheless, there is a little more to it than that. Let's see how we can make our ads truly work well for us by using a few simple methods. Of all, there is the standard listing. Before you can list anything, you need to have a Craigslist.org account. This is easy to do. If you have the legitimate email address, you can get an account. You will need to enter your email address, and after that, key in the rushed letters and strike enter. Go to any classification and pick a post. A list of categories will appear. Then choose the one that finest suits your product. At the next screen, type in the title of your advertisement. Avoid all capitals. Then add the text to the body of the ad. Lastly, you can include a photo if you like. There is a choice to keep your email private and to decline deals from others. This is how you go into a product for sales. Select what you desire to post. Go into a title, a description, and details about payments. You have to pass the human check by going into the rushed letters. Here are some ideas for making cash on Craigslist.org. You can add a photo, type a description, or make a Craigslist.org only provide to anyone seeing the ad. Another way is to sell and resell products. You can get complimentary items on Craigslist.org. Let's take furniture. You can get free furnishing, tidy it up and fix it, then sell it for a profit. No list, no shipment. You can do this over and over again. Have a service provider. Craigslist.org is a way to get you more customers. Whether you tutor mathematics, deal music lessons, babysit, walk dogs, clean houses, or whatever there is in place for you to provide your services to those in your city. All other city websites charge for your services. At Craigslist.org, it is totally free. I am sure you will find it on Craigslist.org. Purchase offers, provide services, and promote your services. Craigslist.org has it all covered, with no charge and no marketing. There are just some of the ideas for generating income on Craigslist.org. With such a flexible and simple to use community website, you cannot fail. It is impossible to lose cash as the listings do not cost you anything. There is absolutely nothing else like it online. With everything that is a website happens to use, you can't fail. There are lots of concepts for making money on Craigslist.org. Here are some ideas for making cash on Craigslist. You can indulge in images, type a description, or make a Craigslist.org just offer to anybody seeing the ad. Craigslist.org is a way to get more clients. There are simply some of the concepts that are listed are here. I hope some of this has helped you. And once you get to Craigslist, you will understand it more. Go there and investigate. Before you do anything else, do your research, find out what happens to other people, see if they like it or not, and the recommendations that come along with it. Always do your research. Use YouTube. They do videos on it. And also Google is another good place. So make sure you research anything you're going to do. Don't get scammed. Just do your research first. Now below this video there's a little like button. If you could click the like button, that would help me immensely. Also subscribe at the same time. Even better. At the top there's a bell. Click on that bell, and next to the bell's all. If you click all, you'll get. So do both of those for me. That will help me with YouTube. Now below my video I have my YouTube channel link. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Once more, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I have almost 300 videos. Probably by the time you click on the link I will have 300 videos, all helping people to make money online, and how to go about it, how to sign up with different programs and get affiliate links, etc, etc. All the links and videos are below this video. If you go into the first link, you'll get all of my videos. Any of the other links are tools I use and programs I've joined. All these are affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs. If you sign up to anything, purchase anything, I will get a small commission. That is the way of the internet. We work on links for commissions. You will probably be doing the same once you get going properly. Craigslist is another part of it. You put your name and address up there and what you want to sell, and that's another way of doing it. On emails it's links. So if you wish to purchase anything, I will get paid a small commission. Do click the like button below, as that is most important for me if you wish to help me. And also I hope you come back again by doing the bell at the top and clicking all. So all the best in your internet ventures. Hope you succeed and get on very well. Click the like button for me. Thank you. Cheerio.